Hi friends, welcome to online education. Today we learn about sounds, vowel digraph, consonant digraph. What is digraph? The combination of two letters represent one sound. Combination of two letters. Letters A, B, K, D, R to Z sounds. When two sounds combine and after they combine, the one sound is produced. That sound is known as digraph. There are two types of digraph: vowel digraph, consonant digraph. Today we learn about vowel digraph because vowel digraph are short as compared to consonant digraph. Okay, we know that vowels are A, E, I, O, U. So first of all, we learn about the sound of A. When A and I are combined, the sound becomes A. These are the examples of A sound. Pa. The sound of P is pa. Pa. A. AI represent one sound A. The sound of L is la and l. Pa, A, l. Pal. The sound of R is ra. A. The sound of N is na and n. Ra, A, n. Ran. Sa. The sound of S is sa and the sound of T is ta. Here we pronounce the sound of S and T. Ist, st, A, n. Stan. The sound of G is ga. Ga. Sometimes we use sound of G is ja and sometimes we use sound of G is ga. It is according to condition. It is according to condition. Ga, A, n. Gan. When we combine C and H, the sound becomes is cha. Cha, A, n. Chan. Now we learn about AY sound. AY sound represents also A sound. Ist, A, stay. Pa, l, A, play. The sound of D is da. Da, A, day. The sound of M is ma and n. Ma, A, may. Ra, A, ray. Sa, A, say. Today we learn about vowel digraph and the vowel digraph, the sound of A. Next time we learn about the sound of E and I, then O, then U.